You can come from living in the caves and eating raw meat to have machines cook our food for us. This is because we humans could come together and make breakthroughs in science. This is to say, we could communicate with each other, share ideas, and grow together. Without a language, people can't really express themselves or expect that the other person to understand what the person is saying. Language is the vital tool for communication. Without language, it is nearly impossible to communicate with others, and so the importance of language cannot be emphasized enough. Language is not only a way of expressing thoughts and ideas, but it creates friendships, economic relationships, and cultural links. We can interact only with science without language. We are in the 21st century. We have survived countless disasters and the passage of time and have come to where we have today. At the present, there are almost 4,500 languages spoken in the world, but due to the presence of many different languages, we can imagine a large language barrier among people of different races. We are in a global village, and a common language is seen as a necessity to talk with people all around. For this, the English language is known as the lingua franca of the world. In today's world, English is the most dominating language of the world as it is necessity for all fields of work. The importance of English language is very huge, and just knowing how to communicate in English will tear down the language barrier that exists among people of different ethnicities. The people language, the English language is understood, spoken by about 1 to 16 billion peoples worldwide, so it is without a doubt a universal language. The importance of language. I want to share 10 reasons to learn the language. As being English is a global language, it helps in the studying. English can help you got to get a job. Learning English can help you meet new people. Many scientific papers are written in English language. English is the language of the media industry. English is the language of the internet. Traveling is a lot easier with a good knowledge of English. English is one of the most important languages for business. With English, you can study all over the world. English gives you access to multiple cultures. That's all. Thank you and have a nice day.
We all know that there are millions of English speakers across the globe. But what makes English an important language, not just a common one? English, the second most spoken language after Mandarin Chinese, is an important language for all kinds of professional and personal goals. Now, I will put forward some opinions on how English is the most important language in today's time. First and foremost, learning English can help you pursue and obtain more career opportunities. If you learn English well enough to pass tests like the Test of English as a Foreign Language, you can study in English language universities across the globe. Third, English is the most used language online with nearly 1 billion users typing and chatting in the language. If you can understand and read English, you will be able to access and enjoy many more resources online. No matter what career path you decide to pursue, learning English is a valuable skill. It will help you become a better as well as a more well-rounded person.
I'm Sandhya Tomar of Class 12 Science. It's my great pleasure to express my views on importance of English. English is a common language among all the people. It is a common communication language in the world. Many international businesses conduct meeting in English. It is easy to see just how important English is around the world. English is a global language and also international language. Studying English can help you to get a job. English is a language of science, computers, diplomacy and tourism. Learning English can help you to meet new peoples in the world. English is the official language of almost 53 countries. English is a language of media industry. In the internet, most of the web pages are written in English. English is also language of internet. Good knowledge of English will allow you to access film, music and literature from hundreds of countries around the globe. Not to mention the fact that number of books from across the world are translated into English. True experiences will make you grow as a person more than learning the values, habits and ways of life in a culture that is different from yours. It opens new career opportunity. One language sets you in a corridor for a life. Two language opens every door along the way. The English language is nobody's special property. It is the property of imagination. It is the property of language itself.
Good morning. Today I am Shivani of class 12th A, standing before you to explain you the importance of English language. You all know that English language is the language of international communication. Although English is not the most spoken language in the world, but it is the language of 53 countries. It is spoken as the official language in this country. It is spoken as the first language by around 400 million people worldwide. But that's not at all. It is also the second most common language in this world. And also English learning can change your as the world becomes smaller and interconnected, being able to communicate with people of different countries becomes a really valuable skill. Learning English can really boost your employment opportunity, help you to expand your talents across the worldwide stage. Thank you.